elections had been very, filled with intrigues. So now here is the poem that made the Spanish guest laugh. Dear friends, I have two friends who are enemies, and two enemies who are friends. One of my friends is a friend of one of my enemies. My other friend is an enemy of my other enemy's friend. It is difficult to keep track of whom one should be careful not to say what to. A reconciliation would simplify things considerably, so I strongly go in for turning the other cheek, but in the long run haven't enough cheeks. Try to mobilize my friend's cheeks. This has made one of my enemies friendly, and one of my friends unfriendly. My other enemy has become an enemy of his friend, and my other friend has become a friend of my other enemy's former friend, but then an enemy of his own former friend. I seriously consider calling the whole thing off, pulling my cheeks in and starting afresh.